Welcome to House Barbecue, and today we're doing baby back ribs. And I didn't use any kind of binder today, but it's sticking just well. Yeah. Today we're using some Royal Oak lump charcoal. I got some cherry. Also got some hickory. I'm undecided if I'm gonna throw that in there, but we're gonna let that sit for a little while. Get our Oklahoma Joe to temp. She's a little too hot. We're gonna bring her down. Cooking about 240. Take us about 5 hours, I'd say. Now we got them down to a good temp. Let's throw these things on here. How they looking? This thing closed. Probably let them go for 3 hours, and then I'm gonna wrap them. You know, probably 3-2-1 method on them. Let's keep cooking. And now these been going for about an hour. I like to baste them. This keeps the kids in the background. But I baste them every hour for about 3 hours. Look at those things. Oh yeah, this is the rub I'm using. Sometimes I make my own rub, but sometimes I'm being lazy. The brown sugar, that's always good on ribs. I just spray them down with a little concoction I made. A little vinegar, a little water. And then sometimes I might put orange juice in there. It just depends on what you want to do. So we got them all sprayed down. Add some more of this rub. Just sprinkle it like that. And then we're gonna let them go 2 more hours. Then I wrap them. Here they are after 3 hours. They took some good smoke. Now we're pretty much in the wrapping phase. Spray. Just give a little more moisture again. Hit it with a little bit more rub. Put that rub on there. I come back with some brown sugar. A little sweet. Give it a little honey. Better to use the little blue bottle, Parquet. If it was a blue bottle, it's a little bit easier. I'm just using what I had. Then we just go ahead and wrap it up. Put it back on the grill just like that. And do the same thing with the second one. Here we are, we got 2 hours wrapped up. Get a little hot over here. Let's draw it back as I want it. I'll draw back. So here we go. Let's just squeeze one of them. Put some sweet brown sugar. Just pour it like that. Kind of dab it everywhere. Some people don't like the glaze, so I'm gonna just do one of them. Pretty hot. I don't know, I guess every time I cook ribs I get a different drawback. Now let's close this down and keep going. Started raining outside, so I came inside, gave him a little cut. That's the sauce one, dry one. Let's just pick this one up. Got a little smoke in there. Yeah.
It's ready to fall off. I don't know if it's because of cherry wood. They don't look like they took much smoke, but it tastes pretty smoky to me. I'm gonna try one of these. Oh my God. Pretty good.